Chapter 8 HTML An Introduction. Magic Carpet. What is HTML? HTML elements, tags and attributes. Structure of an HTML document. Creating an HTML document. Saving an HTML document. Viewing an HTML document. What is HTML? HTML or Hypertext Markup Language is the standard markup language used for making web page and web applications. A website comprises of different web pages which are created using HTML. It is a programming language used to create documents which are displayed on the World Wide Web (WWW), which is a collection of interconnected web pages. To create a HTML document, we require Notepad and a web browser for viewing them. HTML tags. HTML tags are the hidden keywords within a web page that define how your web browser must format and display the content. Each HTML file must have the essential tags for it to be valid, so that web browsers can understand them and display them correctly. In other words, commands in HTML are known as tags. A coded HTML command is the tag which defines the structure and appearance of a web page. Most of the tags have two parts, an opening part and a closing part. All the HTML tags are enclosed with the angle brackets. An HTML tag is of two types. Container tag. Container tags are those tags which require an opening tag as well as a closing tag. The closing tag has the same text as the opening tag but has an additional / character. For example, P is a container tag where P is an opening tag and / P is a closing tag. Empty tag. Empty tags are those tags which require only an opening tag and don't require a closing tag. For example, HR tag, BR tag, etc. HTML attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes which provide additional information about an element. Attributes allow you to customize a tag and are always specified in the start tag. Most attributes are optional for most tags and are only used when you want to change something about the default way a tag is displayed by the browser. For example, open P tag align equal left in double quotes. In this example, align is an attribute of P tag which states that the text inside P tag will be displayed on the left. Structure of an HTML document. An HTML document has two main parts. Head. The head element contains title and metadata of a web document. Body. The body element contains the information that you wish to display on a web page. Fact Genie. Browsers do not display the HTML tags but use them to render the content of the page. In a web page, the first tag, specifically HTML tag, indicates the markup language that is being used for the document. The head tag contains information about the web page and in the body tag, the content appears. The following illustration depicts the basic structure of the HTML structure. HTML tag. HTML tag represents that it is an HTML document and the web page is written in HTML. It is a container tag and even contains head and body tags which further contain many other tags. Head tag. Head tag contains information about the web. It is a container tag which includes supplementary information about the document. Title tag. Title tag contains the web page title. It is a container tag which includes the title of the document which is shown in the web browser. Body tag. Body tag contains the content of the web page. Close HTML tag. Close HTML tag marks the end of the web page. HTML editors. To create an HTML document, you need an HTML editor. It is a software program that helps to create HTML documents. HTML editors are of two types. Text editor. A text editor is any word processing program that you can use to type and edit text. Text editors help to create HTML by writing HTML commands. They are provided with an operating system and can be used to change documentation files and programming language source code. For examples, Notepad, WordPad, etc. WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. WYSIWYG is an editor which provides an inbuilt interface which enables you to quickly design web pages without writing any HTML tag. Not only that, it also helps to preview the web pages. Some of such editors are Adobe Dreamweaver, Microsoft Expression Web, etc. Creating and saving an HTML document. Follow the given steps to create an HTML document. Step 1. Open the Notepad window by clicking Start, go to Programs, go to Accessories, go to Notepad. Step 2. Type the HTML code in the Notepad window. Step 3. Choose File, go to Save. Step 4. The Save As dialog box will appear. Step 5. In the Save As dialog box, after selecting the appropriate folder, specify the name of the HTML file along with extension .html or .htm in the file name box. Step 6. Click Save to save the file. Viewing HTML documents. You have to use a web browser to view how your web page looks. Some of the web browsers are Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer, etc. Following steps are to be taken to view an HTML document on a web browser. We will use Internet Explorer web browser. Step 1. Open the Internet Explorer window. Step 2. Choose File, go to Open. The Open dialog box gets displayed. Step 3. Click Browse and then the Microsoft Internet Explorer dialog box gets displayed. Step 4. In the Microsoft Internet Explorer dialog box, select the name of the HTML file to be opened. Step 5. Click Open. The path of the selected file appears in the Open dialog box. Click OK. The selected HTML file opens up in the Internet Explorer window. Fact Genie. The exclamation doc type HTML declaration defines this document to be HTML5. The HTML tag element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Magic Scroll. HTML tags are the hidden keywords within a web page that define how your web browser must format and display the content. Container tags are also tags which require an opening tag as well as a closing tag. The head element contains title and metadata of a web document. Text editors help to create HTML by writing HTML commands. The body element contains the information that you wish to display on a web. A. Put a tick on the correct option.